If you want to practice any track in most efficient way, you have to use the active reset in iRacing. So let's have a look what it is and how to use it. The first thing you have to do is to set up the buttons for the active reset. So go to Options and Controls, and here in Other Controls you will find Active Reset Save Start Point and Active Reset Run. So map the button for the Active Reset Save Start Point. This will be your start point on the track. And Active Reset Run. This will be the end of your section you want to practice, and also to reset the car to the start. So now let's jump into the car. And I want to practice, for example, the part from here, so I will press the button for the start point. And then maybe here will be the end. And now I'm at the start, and you can practice this part of the track again and again. Now hit the reset and you are again here. You also can check your delta if it's rising, and if you're at the end you can press reset and you are going again. You can also use it to practice the start of the race. So position the car on the line, press the active reset start button, then go to the end of the straight and press the active reset button, and now you can practice your starts. So I will use a dual clutch start procedure. And you can see here is the finish line, and my time was 7.615. And you can do this for any track and get better lap times. So I hope you liked this video, and I will see you in the next one.